sauces and make them delicious. So if I had to guess, this is going to be the mild one. Alright, we have another unboxing today, unpackaging. This is from my friend Jamie, who's making some hot sauces. His businesses are currently closed down due to the pandemic, and he's been making hot sauces and traveling to national parks, and I want to support him a little bit, so I bought some from him. Let's open it up. I know some of my other friends said their package is busted. This one might be a little busted. It's hard to tell. Okay, it's not too busted. Nothing's broken. It is wet. It's a little leaky. Ooh, what is this surprise package? Dang, Topeka Coffee. Topeka Coffee is a place in Tulsa. I don't know if it's a type of coffee. It is. It's a roaster. And I think they're based out of Tulsa. And, yeah. So anyways, we got this. They're all unmarked label bottles. He's not trying to sell this to make money. He's just trying to make sauces and make them delicious. So if I had to guess, this is going to be the mild one. So let's test it out. He said this was smoky. About 2 out of 5 on the heatness scale. Alright. Got some chicken nuggets right here. Yeah, no heat really at all. No heat with that one. So my buddy Jamie's got a bar up in Minneapolis he's a part owner of. And he's just been checking out all the national parks, traveling. Can't work right now. Making these bomb hot sauces. This is the one I bought from him like 4 months ago. It's a little sweeter than the one I just tried, the new one. Alright. Alright. This is a scary one. This is the one he said he put equal parts ghost, equal parts reaper, and cherry. Now, is there a cherry pepper? Or is it cherry like the fruit? I have no idea, because I'm just not knowledgeable in these things. Alright. This is what I'm scared of. I think it's cherry, because it smells sweet. But also, crazy hot. So I'm actually meeting up with him and a bunch of people in a couple weeks for our annual fantasy football draft. We're gonna need more of that. I don't call it a dipping sauce, but oh, there it is. There it goes. There it goes. Oh man. Is the first one gonna cool it off? Jeez Louise. Alright. Alright. So I'm meeting up with them in 2 weeks in Colorado. And last year, I think he bought some sort of spicy pepper. It's like that bright pink orange one. Is that ghost pepper? We made salsas at the house, and I just was like, I'll try a little bite. Well, a bunch of us did. We were just crying together because that's how spicy that is. Just never stop eating. That's the key. That's the key to spices. Never stop eating. Anyways, just out here supporting my friends' businesses, doing what they do to get by. Encourage all of you to do the same. Whether that be buying masks or hot sauces, just get out there and help your friends, guys. Stay safe out there. And before any of you say it, this isn't a monthly service. I'm not in a will of debt buying stuff coming to my door. This is a one-time thing until he hits me up again. It's like, hey, I got this other one-time thing, right? All right, guys. Playoffs are happening. NBA's going. Thunder up. Hopefully we can pull off a win in this series. Tired of Thunder losing in the first round. Adams out.